My boss says, "I'm your boss," with a tone of anger. I understand that sometimes managers can be very strict and rude, especially when they are giving feedback about their employees' work. But my boss is well known for his unfair treatment of his employees. He blames them for everything without the slightest bit of empathy. He gets mad whenever I try to share an idea or make a suggestion about how we can improve our productivity. The last time I did this, he got really upset and told me to mind my own business. This feeling of not being able to talk to him about anything new is part of the problem. The tone of anger that held by the boss is seen as a toxic communication. We could injure other person's feelings or even make them feel threatened. The boss should be self-aware enough to know whether their communication is perceived as anger or not. I didn't realize this was a problem until I continued to work with him for the longest time. All of his emails are written in a tone that I can't avoid pointing out as angry, but he doesn't agree with it, so I don't know what to do. "I can't believe what he just did," my boss shouted at me. As the sound resonated throughout the room, my joints collapsed in fear, and anxiety took over my body. Bosses are always tough on their workers. They always think that they know what's best, and often order their employees to do things that they should be doing themselves. Workers often feel ignored, unappreciated, and undervalued by their boss. To avoid this pitfall, they could learn to maintain their composure in the face of anger. This might not be easy to do, but addressing these issues earlier can help avoid additional stress or even depression. We all have bosses who exercise their power in a way that is unfair to their employees. It is not easy for us to stand up to our bosses when they are being unfair. But it's important for us to do so if we want the boss-employee relationship to be healthy and positive. If you're followed by disappointment, then it would be that the speaker is disappointed in what happened, or they were hoping for better. The relationship between boss-employee can be seen as a transaction, with respect being the currency that is exchanged. For example, if your boss is disappointed by your work, they may use an angry tone, which could make you feel like things are hopeless. This type of treatment might lead you into losing respect for them, which will result in lowering the quality of work output. Remember that a tone of anger can make someone feel humiliated and frustrated.